Throughout history, there have been striking correlations between UFO sightings and natural disasters. Reports of unidentified aerial phenomena often surge during or shortly before catastrophic events, raising questions about their potential connection. These occurrences prompt discussions about whether these enigmatic crafts are merely observers of human calamity or if they play an active role in these disasters. Some theorists speculate that these entities could harness energy from natural events, acting as catalysts or even warning signs for humanity. For instance, sightings of UFOs have been reported during major earthquakes, hurricanes, and wildfires, creating a pattern that cannot be easily dismissed. Eyewitness accounts frequently describe strange lights or crafts appearing in the sky just before the onset of disasters, suggesting a possible link. This phenomenon has led researchers to delve into ancient texts and folklore, seeking clues about these entities and their motivations. Are they benevolent watchers, indifferent to human suffering, or malevolent forces that thrive on chaos? As we continue to investigate these mysterious sightings, the intersection of the supernatural and natural world remains an intriguing area of exploration.